Select Schedule a Test from the DSPS portal. It's important to note that at this point the system is quite slow and could take up to 20 to 30 seconds to load the next page. Look for the spinner at the top of the tab, which indicates the system is working and the page is loading. After logging in, select Schedule a Test, Midterm, or Quiz. Read the instructions, then click Next. Select the course of your test and click Next. Enter the scheduled date, time, and duration of the test, then click Next. Enter and confirm the instructor's information, then click Next. Select your accommodations for the test and click Next. Fill in the additional information and click Next. Select a specific time slot to take your test and click Next. The final step is to verify and acknowledge the test information by checking the box and click Finish.